trying to drill a hole here, Austin. Need a bigger scoop. Oh, easy.
Yeah.
Ethan is going to attempt to drill, what, a double hole?
Okay.
Easy. You okay?
I need your help.
You have to hit reverse, back it off. You hold on tight. It's dangerous, I told you, right?
Okay.
There's a lot of torque there. Your bit moved over too far. You could get hurt. You can hurt yourself. You got to hold on to it tight.
I am.
You moved over too far. Now what? Now you got a hole and a half. You're gonna wreck my auger. I think we just buy a 10-inch auger bit and call her done.
Fail.
We're gonna watch you. We're gonna see what happens here. This is your idea.
Jeez, you're like flooding this whole thing.
I'm not gonna be able to do it.
Is that thing getting heavy? 24 pounds?
Let me try.
No.
No, it's stuck. Like, Dad, you need to do it.
No, you started it. You finish it.
Yeah. Okay. He's like putting so much water in.
Look at it in there. It looks wet. Good thing we've got waterproof boots.
I think I did it.
You think you got it?
Yeah.
Check it again. Let's see.